Simulation of sun shadow. Firstly, in this process, figurative clouds, teddy bear and doves, are modeled into paper cutting and we call them pieces of Derry. Pieces of Derry were simulated in the field according to their real height in the field. We simulated the sun rising and setting and projected our Derry pieces above. In this changing process, the projections swept and intersected on the plane to form a changing form. The shadow traces became the band-aid to heal Derry's scars and provide a possibility for the subsequent agency's site selection. We also recorded the changing trajectory of the shadows with drawing.
Derry has a humid climate. Humidity has become an important angle for studying cities. We drew a humidity map of Derry based on the data and used the depth of red to represent the humidity of the city. While drawing the humidity, we processed the place with the highest humidity in Derry to form a figure with boundaries. According to the eco-salad studied earlier, we collected different plants in each place in Derry. Plants are also a reflection of humidity, so how to combine the two? We use the soak print method of plants to combine plants with humidity. In the fluidity of water and soil, plants can present different shapes, and there are indelicate structures on paper. According to the distribution of plants in various places in eco-salad, plants in different areas will be collected and placed on a table. Prepare a piece of absorbent paper, soak the plants in the mud. Water brought back from Derry for a while and put them on the paper. When all the plants are placed, cover the paper with another piece of paper and press it with a heavy object. Make sure that the plants will form a plant soak print on the paper. Then, according to the distribution of plants, we extract the plant imprints in the soak print on the humidity map. According to the degree of humidity, adjust the coloring depth of the plants on the humidity boundary map. Draw a known visualization that integrates the relationship between plants and humidity. This map contains information about plant distribution and humidity, forming some more interesting boundaries on the map. In the result map formed by NV2, some boundaries are formed on the city map of Derry. The lines formed by the boundaries intersect to form the boundaries of the buildings, providing guidance for the drawing of fag. Through the intersection of the shape of the leaves and the humidity boundaries, the prototypes of each college are formed.
According to NV1's previous research, the shape of the cloud can be in. At the same time, clouds can also be the source of rainwater. the process of rainfall and clouds as a design gesture can be transformed into a process of collecting and reusing rainwater on the roof.
The imprints of clouds and humidity on the ground are combined through the mud, while simulating the roof. It provides a medium for the formation of flood and NVR.
According to NV2's research, the soap print of plants is cut into different building boundaries. Then the thesis of NV1 and NV to generate our conceptual block model, in which we show our understanding of the boundaries and shapes formed by plants, clouds, and humidity. All the above elements are combined and collaged to form our NV2 model and drawings. As a factory of knowledge and research, the university will have multiple spaces dedicated to work, such as studios, lecture halls, laboratories, and archives. The university will establish various knowledge factories or colleges, each focusing on specific categories of knowledge and ecology. The university will need spaces for relaxation and social interaction alongside their primary role in knowledge production. These spaces, called amenities, will serve as civic and communal areas open to both students and the public. They will function as venues for disseminating the new knowledge. Bed strategy will consider whether the apartment or home has 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, or more bedrooms and is designed to be mixed living. Housing will be decided between historical, urban housing paradigms, Derry's existing housing stock, and new housing developments. A key idea introduced is the development of a device to hold and reflect upon the rhythms of water. Initially, this could be represented by a water recycling baths, a system for capturing, retaining, and redistributing water. Different master plans were formed according to FABB's requirements to showcase each section.